So communication is the capacity of humans to communicate through exchanging ideas and thoughts to other people using precise verbal signals and written signs that have meaning and are recognizable by the participant in the communication process. So speech is very important since we learn to comprehend and generate it before learning to read and write. And language processes are closely connected with human cognition and memory, so that it has a role in us through providing knowledge of the words. And also, the language is a system and the structure to use words while speaking and writing, and while the lexicon is the complex of those words that is preserved in the human mind. And the words from the mental lexicon are being categories for the people to choose adequate words to be used. And that is why in spoken words and rapping commonly they use neighboring words, which are words having similar final letter and the same pronunciation or sound on the end. And words, sentences, or text can be used to clarify if the readers or the listeners can't comprehend the words.
So our topic for this week is about language processing, wherein there are two types of model segmentation: the lexical models and the pre-lexical models. Pre-lexical models rely on characteristics of the speech stream might mark a likely word boundary, while the lexical model segmentation is guided by knowledge of how words sound. So in the music video of Esmil, the IDK, I saw two words that can be exampled in cohort model, in which this model assumes that as the beginning of a word is encountered, the word initial cohort, or a set of words that match the speech so far, is activated. For example, the word ka. So in this case, we can include words such as kano, kun, karate, and so on and so forth. So it seems similar to Esmil's music video, IDK. There are two words that we can connect, and that is this RESPECT, bone crushing, and the rect, like RACT, mobile. So in these lyrics, the word T that Esmil emphasizes, we can include words such as T-Pain, T-shirt, T-Rex, and TV, because um, these words all match the speech so far.
With our discussion last Monday about the language processing or process, there are two types of model, which are the trace and the cohort model. The trace model is a connectionist model of word recognition proposed by McClelland and Ellman. It is a dynamic processing structure built up of a network of units that serve as both the system's memory function and the perceptual processing mechanism. It consists of three processing levels: the features, phoneme, and the word. According to this hypothesis or theory, your mind matches what you've heard to a word in your mental lexicon using physical auditory features, phonemic, and semantic information. While cohort model is when a person's hears speech segments. Each speech segments activates every word in our lexicon that begins with that segment. And as more segments are added, more possibilities are ruled out until only one word remains that matches the input. And from the music video of Esmil, the IDK, or I don't know, I saw some example of trace model, and these are the words are tears, fear, clacking, rocking, gears, and tears, and the phonemes are T, F, C, L, R, and G, and T. While in the cohort model, the example that I heard in the music was this. From the first syllable, the this and the rec, it activates our lexicon, and we tend to think what will be the word is that we came up with many different.
In our topic, language processing, under this is word stopping test, where you will identify two strong syllable onsets, which are M and T, and then search for any words you know beginning at those points. So, in the seventh stanza of the lyrics in the music video of Esmil's IDK, I found the word mission, or I can identify the recognition of the word miss because it shows a word boundary for the word mission. Another example is Pontiac, but this word does not start with onsets. I only gave this example for us to understand what I am saying. So the word is Pontiac, which has two strong syllables, and when searching for the obscure recognition, you will come up with the word pont.
This week, we discussed the topic language processing, in which we were able to tackle how humans process and understand communication that involves ideas or feelings. It also involves other cognitive functions such as attention and memory, and on some accounts, these cognitive functions are embedded into language processing itself. We were given a material to watch a video, which is Easy Mill's music video, and he involved words in his lyrics that contained wordplay that is highly common in creating rap bars. These wordplays usually do not mean and sound as they literally are, and most of the time should not be taken literally but more of figuratively. In Izimil's video, this requires a deeper understanding on what he was trying to deliver with his lines and rhymes, since he is playing with his words as well as his pronunciation in order for those bars or lines to be appropriate and follow through the flow of the song. This is significant to our lesson since it focuses on processing communication or delivery of words that will allow you to process the message and even the real message behind the line in order for you to truly understand what an individual is trying to say.